Good morning everyone. In last lecture we have completed up to question number 4. So today we will start from question number 5. That is, after buying a book I am left with rupees 5 out of my rupees 50 note. What is the cost of a book? Okay, so here you have to find the cost of a book and see what he is trying to say. Solution number 5. After buying a book, he has bought one book. After that, he only 5 rupees is left with him. Now see what you have to do. How much rupees is left with him? That is, let the rupees left with him be, let the amount left with him is rupees 5. Okay, out of 50. This out of 50, the amount left with him is rupees 5. Therefore, that is 5. Now the how much money is did he spend? That is, you don't know that how what is the cost of a book. Therefore, let the cost of a book is equal to x. Now see, x rupees he has invested. How much rupees is left with him? That is rupees 5. Out of how much? Out of 50. That is, the equation is made here. Now 50 minus 5. So your answer will become here 45. Okay. Now see, question number 6. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 36. What are these integers? See, solution number 6. Let the 3 integers, okay, consecutive integers, or you can write here 3 integers. What are the integers given here? It is not given here, you have to assume it. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay, it's a sum. What is the sum of? Therefore, the sum of these integers, what is the sum given here? The sum of these integers is 36. So make their sum x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 36. Okay, now 3x plus 3 is equal to 36. So 3x is equal to 36 minus 3. It will become your 33 divided by 3, that is 11. Okay, now see what are the 3 consecutive integers. Therefore, the 3 integers are 11 plus 1 and 11 plus 2 is 12, that is 13. 11, 12 and 13. Okay, and this is your answer. Now see, question number 7. Sandeep has twice as much as money as Sonia. Together they have rupees 150. How much money does Sonia have? Now see, Sandeep has twice as much as money Sonia has. Now संदीप के पास कितने पैसे? जितने कि सोनिया के पास है उसके डबल. Now see, अब सोनिया के पैसे rupees of Sonia is not given here, so you have to assume here. Solution number 7. Let Sonia has x rupees. Therefore, Sandeep has twice the rupees of Sonia. Therefore, 2x rupees 2x. Now see, what is it? Together they have rupees 150. Now together means, therefore x plus 2x is equal to how much money they have together? That is rupees 150. Now see, 3x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 0. X is equal to 50. Now see, Sonia has Sonia has rupees 50 and Sandeep has twice of Sonia, that is 100. 2 into 50, it will become your 100. Now see, next question. Question number 8. Ruchi and Sindhu went shopping. Sindhu had twice the amount of money as Ruchi. Ruchi shopped for utilities worth rupees 60 and Sindhu spent 210 rupees. Now both of them have the same amount of money left. How much money did each one of them have at the beginning? So see question number 8. See solution number 8. See, first of all you have to find out there how much money does Ruchi have, then how much money does Sindhu has. Now see, after buying the utilities, how much money they had after that. Now see, first of all let the amount of money Ruchi had is equal to rupees X. Now see, how much money is Sindhu had? Sindhu has twice the amount of money that Ruchi has. Now, therefore, Sindhu has twice the money, that is 2x. Okay. Now see, when Ruchi shopped utilities, she has when Ruchi shopped she has been remained with rupees 60. Okay. Then how much money is remained with and how much money did Sindhu spend? And Sindhu spent, how much money does she spend? That is rupees 200. Yes, 210. 210. Okay. Now see, they were left with the same amount when they were left with the same amount. How much money does they were left? Both have the same amount, that you have to find. Now see, twice the money Sindhu had, that is 2x minus 210 is equal to how much money does Ruchi have, that is x, and how much money does she remain with, that is rupees 60. That will become your x minus 60. Now see, 2x minus x is equal to minus 60 plus 210. Now see, it will become your x 150 and it will come in your plus 150. Okay. Now see, Sindhu has, see now Ruchi had, what is the price Ruchi had? Ruchi has been remained with, therefore Ruchi has, x means what is the value got of x, that is 150, and Sindhu has means twice, therefore 2 into 150 is equal to 300. Okay. Now see question number 9. The length of a rectangular hole is 3 meters more than the double of its breadth. If its perimeter is 66 meters, what is its length? So see, let the breadth of a rectangular hole is equal to x. Now see, the length, what is the length given here? Length is given at 3 meters more than the double of its breadth. More than the double of its breadth. Double of its breadth, okay, that is 2x plus 3 more than, that is it will become your 2x plus 3. Now see, what is the perimeter? What is the formula for perimeter? That is 2 into length plus breadth. Now see, perimeter is already given here, that is 66. Now see, 2 into length, what is the length? X plus 2x plus 3. See, 66 divide by 2 is equal to, a bracket you can solve here, that is 3x plus 3. Now see, 33 is equal to 3x plus 3. See, 33 minus 3 is equal to 3x. 33 minus 3, it will become your 30 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 0 is equal to x. Now see, breadth is equal to 10. What is the length here? Length is equal to 2x plus 3. It will become your 2 into 10 plus 3. That is 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Okay. Now see, next question. Varun takes a certain number of rotis during lunch but always wastes half of a roti. Rosa takes half the number of rotis as Varun and always finishes her share. After 20 days, if the number of rotis that were consumed during lunch by them together is 120, then find the number of rotis per meal that Varun and Rosa takes. How many rotis were wasted in 20 rotis does Varun takes during lunch? That is certain number of rotis he takes during lunch but always wastes half of a roti. Now see, how many days they are asking. See, they are asking of 20 days. There are 20 days. Okay. So how many rotis does he takes? And every day how many rotis does he waste? That is half of the roti he waste. And he waste half roti every day. Now see, so in 20 days, how many rotis does he waste in 20 days? That is 20 into half will become your 10. So 20 दिन में वो 10 rotis waste करता है. Okay. Now he is asking about, so they have consumed 120 rotis. Okay. वो अब वो 120 रोटीज टोटल बता रहा है कि 20 डेज में वो कितनी रोटीज खाता है. दिस 120. सो दे हैव कंज्यूम्ड 120 rotis in 20 days. Okay. Now see, 120 रोटीज तो ये, उसके बाद 10 रोटीज उसने ऑलरेडी वेस्ट कर दी. दैट इज 120 प्लस 10, इट विल बिकम योर 130 रोटीज. नाउ सी, रोजा कितनी रोटीज खाता है? नाउ लेट रोजा ईट्स, रोजा की कितनी रोटीज दे रखी है? It is that is you have to find. Okay. And how many rotis does he waste? वो कोई रोटी वेस्ट नहीं करता, जितनी लेता है उतनी खा लेता है. बट how much roti does Varun waste? That is half of the roti per day. So let Rosa eats X rotis and Varun eats 2x. Okay. Double of Rosa. 2x rotis. Okay. Now see, it will become your x plus 2x is equal to 120. Okay. 120 rotis में से आपको find करना है. So it will become your 3x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 120 divided by 3 4s are, so x is equal to 40. Now see, Rosa eats 40 rotis in 120 days. Therefore, how many rotis does Varun eats in 120 days? That is double of Rosa. It will become your 80 rotis. Now see, therefore Rosa eats 40 rotis and Varun eats 2 into 40, that is 80 rotis. Now see, how many rotis does he waste, that also you have to find. In 120 days how many rotis does he waste, and in per 1 day how much rotis does they eat, that also you have to find. Now see, number of rotis Rosa eats, that is 40 rotis. Now number of rotis Rosa eat in a day. So number of rotis Rosa eat in a day is equal to 40 by 20. It will become here 2. That is 2 rotis. Okay. Now number of rotis Varun eats is equal to 80 by 20 will become here 4. Okay. Therefore Varun eats 4. This Varun takes 4 rotis. Varun takes 4 rotis in a day, but he always left half roti. Therefore he eats 3.5 rotis. Okay. Now see, this solution is completed. So how many rotis does Rosa eat? That is 2 rotis. And how many rotis does Varun eat? That is 3.5 roti. Now see, question number 11. Rahil has a certain number of chocolates. He gave 1/3 of the chocolates to his brother and 1/6 of them to his friend. He was then left with 30 chocolates. How many chocolates did he give to each one? Solution number 11. How many chocolates does he have? Let the number of chocolates Rahil has is equal to x. Okay. Now see. Now how many chocolate he has? That is x. How much he gave to his brother? That is 1/3. That is, it will become your x by 3. Plus to his friend, how much does he give? That is x is equal to x by 6. Now how much is remained with him, left with him? That is 30. Now you can take here LCM. X is equal to x by 3 plus x by 6 plus 30. So LCM will come here 6, 2 multiply by 2. Then it will become your 1 into 6 into 6. Now see, x is equal to 2x plus x plus 180 divided by 6. So you can cross multiply it. It will become your 6x is equal to 3x plus 180. Now see, 6x minus 3x is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 3. 60. So now see, how many chocolates does Rahil has? That is 60. Rahil has 60 chocolates. Now see, how much does he give to his friend? He gave to his brother. He gave to his brother. That is 60 divided by 3. It will become your 20. Then he gave to his friend. That is 60 divided by 6. It will become your 10. Okay. So note this all questions in your classwork copy. Okay. So we have completed this exercise. Now try to solve the chapter checkup. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.